In this video, I'm going to show you where your like JDK, Android SDK, NDKs are located. So I'll take a look at like 2020.3.19. Okay. So when you go to Unity Hub, this is something you will see. You can go to installs and check whether you installed Android or other platforms. And good thing about Unity Hub, it allows us to easily to add modules. So if you click add modules, you will be able to simply select and install these additional modules. And one thing you have to make sure though is sometimes I saw people select Android build support but forgot to check Android SDK and NDK tools or open JDK tools. So this is common mistake. Sometimes when people add, they select Android build support, but forgot to check Android SDK, NDK tools, and open JDK. Then basically you are going to miss these elements. So make sure all these are installed. If not, simply select and install. And I'm going to create a new project with the 2020.3, and I'm going to just name it test and create project. I'm going to put it on the desktop. Okay. And I'm going to show you where you are going to see this JDK, Android SDK, NDK location. Okay, so yeah, let's say you have something like game 3D object like sphere. Yeah, you have something, and then you want to export this one as APK file or build. So I'm going to go to build settings. Okay. And then here, as you can see, because I installed this Android and Windows, this I can simply well, actually not the window thing, but I can select PC, Mac, Linux standalone or Android, right? So basically you can choose Android and switch platform. And now once you switch it, you can simply build it. But before that, let me show you where you can check whether you installed this Android SDK, like OpenJDK, NDK thing. So you can go to preferences, and there will be external tools. So now you have this Android, okay, Android, JDK, SDK, and all these things. Typically, you can select, and then as you can see, it will find, okay, this location. So one thing you can do, you can copy path and then open Explorer, and then I will actually go over there to show you what they have. Okay, so this is a typical location where Unity stores all this information. Whenever you install Unity Hub, inside of program files in C drive, it will create Unity and Hub and editor. Okay, so this is kind of like a basic setting. So if you click editor, as you can see, these are Unity versions I installed. So I have like 2018.3, 2019.2, 2019.3, 2019.4, 2020.1, 2020.3, 2021.2. So obviously here, if you look at the external tools, scroll down. So this is where I have all these things. So Android SDK tools, okay, supposed to be installed in 2020.3, this version, and then editor, and then data, and there is playback engines. Okay, playback engines, and then Android player, and as you can see, you have SDK, OpenJDK, NDK. So these are things you need to select. So here, again, if you select this one, okay, recommended, it will automatically go there. If not, you need to kind of do it manually. Okay. So sometimes, like what happens here, so it said actually JDK installed with Unity is based on OpenJDK 1.8.0. License information is in the install folder. Okay. And so usually it's okay. Okay. But if you don't have this, one thing you can do is you can simply unselect, okay, and browse, and then you can find that place. So imagine that you go to C and program files, and I have Unity hub editor. So you can eventually find it. Okay, data, playback engines, Android player, and this was what? This was JDK. So I'm going to select. Oh, actually, JDK is something else. So one thing you can do is wait, open JDK. Oh, never mind. So open JDK, select folder. Then yeah. So this is something you can do. Sometimes, if you want to kind of bypass this thing, or somehow you don't have these things, you can actually use. So in this case, Android SDK. Sometimes, not all the time. Like you can go to editor. You can look at some other versions, and you can actually use. Not all the time, but sometimes you can use this Android SDK from like different version. So now what I'm doing is, okay, I'm trying to connect, okay, Android SDK from 2020.1, okay, and then it gives you this warning. You are not using the recommended Android SDK tools. Other versions are not officially supported. So in this way, sometimes works. Okay? Sometimes it doesn't, but that's something you can do. So whenever you get that types of error, like you are missing that Android SDK or whatever, then one thing you can do is, first thing you can do is go to Unity Hub and check installs, and then here, 2020.3, auto click Add Modules to check whether you installed Android SDK, NDK, or OpenJDK. Okay? If those are installed, I would go to under Edit, Preferences, External Tools, scroll down, and then make sure these are correctly set. Okay. Again, if you're already installed, you can simply select. Okay. If you somehow missing something, you can go to unselect, browse. Typically, like one trick was something like this. You try to find the Android folder, then you will get some like Android folder, and you can see this like SDK tools, right? So the question is, which one is right? Then you can actually see the file path and try to guess which one is the best one. And quite honestly, again, like it's supposed to work automatically. If not, you can do it manually. And one thing I experienced was if you use Unity Hub 3.0.1, it somehow doesn't give me the option of add module for 2021.2. So I actually did it like manually. Yeah, I did it manually in Unity when I used it 2021.2. I have to go to like external uh, uh, tools, and then I actually did it manually. And then one trick I use it actually, I actually connect this one to like 20.3, and some of them worked. And the only thing that didn't work was actually Android NDK, because they do have different versions. I believe 2020.3 uses NDK R19D, and then from 2021.2, they use NDK R21D, like a higher version. So that's something I downloaded. So actually, I can show you. Like I can go here and go to see where's program files. Program files. Unity Hub. Actually, I have to go to Unity. Unity Hub editor 2021.2 editor data playback engines Android player. So actually what happened was this one is Android NDK R21D. Somehow Unity Hub didn't do this automatically, so I actually downloaded it from Google site and then manually paste it here and then connect them. But anyways, hopefully this video helped. If it doesn't, let me know.